Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your visual analytics with Power BI detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your visual analytics with Power BI, start by opening the Power BI desktop application. Ensure that you have the latest version installed for optimal features and performance. Once the application is open, create a new report by selecting Get Data. Choose your data source, whether it's Excel, a database, or an online service. Connect to your data and load it into Power BI. After your data is loaded, navigate to the Fields pane on the right side of the screen. Identify the fields you want to analyze and drag them onto the report canvas. Select the visualization type you prefer from the Visualizations pane. Power BI offers various options, including bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts. Customize your visuals by adjusting the properties in the Format pane. You can change colors, styles, and labels to enhance readability and presentation. Add filters to your visuals by clicking on the visual you want to filter and then dragging the relevant field into the Filters pane. Combine multiple visuals to create a comprehensive dashboard. Make sure your visuals are aligned and sized appropriately for a clean layout. Utilize the Bookmarks feature to save specific views of your report for easy access. If necessary, add slicers to allow users to interactively filter the data displayed. Consider using tooltips for additional context on specific data points within your visuals. Once your visuals are set up, review them for clarity and efficiency. Check for any data-related errors by using the data view and adjusting as needed. After finalizing your visuals, save your report by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save As. Export your report to a Power BI. Regularly update your visuals to reflect any changes in the underlying data. This will ensure your analysis remains relevant and accurate. Leverage Power BI's community and resources to stay updated on new features and best practices. By following these steps, you can significantly upgrade your visual analytics with Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.